Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Testing Tricks. Today I'll show you how to install JIRA in your system. Okay, so as you know, there are multiple project management tools are available like JIRA, Team Foundation Server, Microsoft Test Management, Team Foundation Server, right? So you can use either any one from this particular list. Okay, so today I'll show you with the JIRA. Okay, and also this is very much essential for us to keep track all the activities, right? Because you are creating the test cases, you are reviewing the test cases, you are executing. So for those activities, we have to keep track in any of the tools, right? And from these particular tools, we can easily understand uh, where are we actually, right? When we can release our project, when we can close our sprint. So for those activities, these tools we have to use for the smooth release to the customer, right? So today I'll show you the trial version. It will be applicable for 14 days, and if you are installing standard version, means sorry, premium version, then it will be applicable up to 30 days. Okay, so today I'll show you step by step how to install JIRA. So just go to Google and type JIRA software. You'll get this many options. Just click on start your free trial option. Okay, after that you'll get this kind of window where you have to mention your personal email ID and click on sign up. You can go with your email ID. Also you can try with Google account also, you can try. So anyone you can try. So I have tried with my personal email ID. Okay, so you can give your email ID and click on sign up. After that you will receive an OTP in your email ID. Whichever email ID will mention here, on that particular email ID you will receive an OTP. After giving the OTP, you will get this kind of EY. Add your account details. Okay. So here you have to mention your full name and password. Okay. Which password uh, for the password which you want to log into the JIRA. So that particular password you have to mention here and you have to just remember that password. Okay. Now click on continue. After clicking on continue, you'll get this kind of window. Create a site. Okay, so mention your site name, any name you can mention. Okay, then after that click on continue. After that you'll get these three options: Kanban, Scrum and project management. So we want for project management where we can create a task, subtask, epic, okay, dashboard. Those activities we can use it under this project management category. Okay, so select this project management, and after that this kind of window will get, means it will start finishing up your all the settings and all in the background. Okay, so once it is done, then after that you have to mention your project name. Okay, so give any project name. Suppose I've given testing demo, so any name you can mention, and after that you can click on get started option. Okay, after that what will happen, it will ask you what types of work do you need, means feature you want to create or task or story or bug or request, what type of works you want. So in this section what you will do, you can select all the options. Okay, because I want to create feature, then task, story, bug, everything I want to create. So select all the options, then click on next. Okay, then after that you'll get this kind of window. How do you track the work? So as you know, when all the requirements will be coming, then it will be obviously in to do state, means we have not started anything. But whenever we will start working of any of the requirement, then it will be in progress state. Okay, then once it is done, then we'll review it whether all the tasks are closed or not, or all the unit testing task, all the testing task with proper comment on and proper estimations and timing, whatever are the details are required, whether we have given all the details or not on that particular tasks. Okay, if everything is done, then in that case we'll go to the done state and we'll mention that it is done. So these many steps you can follow. To do, then you can start, and then that time the state will be from to do to in progress. Once it is almost done, then you can all together you can review all the tasks. Then if everything is fine, then we can mark that task from in review to done. Okay, and it is customized. You can add your if in between, if you want to add some more status, then also you can add it by clicking on add status option. Okay, that is also doable. Okay, now click on finish. Once it will once you click on finish, then you will get this kind of window will get. Okay, as we have given the name of the project is testing demo, with this particular project name it will come, and you can uh, do whatever you want. Suppose feature creation, task creation, dashboard creation you want. If you want, you can start by clicking on this create option. So in upcoming video I'll show you how to do that. Okay, how to create a task, subtasks, everything. So this is the UI. Okay, so after clicking on finish, you'll get this window. Now if you want to close it, you can log out, and once you will log in, then it will ask for the email ID and password. So the email ID which you have given at the time of setting up the Jira, like in this page, if you will go uh, this email ID, whichever email ID will give, that same email ID you have to give, and password whichever you have given in this section, the same email ID and password you have to give, and you can log in it. Okay, so these are the steps you have to follow, and if you do that, then your Jira is ready. After that, you can create the task, subtask, dashboard, report, everything you can create. But please remember, it will be applicable just for 14 days, as I have installed for standard version. Okay, so I hope it is clear for everyone. Thank you.